Alright, y'all, what's up? In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make over $200 just using Temu app, guys. That's right, just for using Temu app. Here's how you guys can make almost $15 a day just for using Temu app. So first of all, you're gonna want to open up the Temu, just a regular app. Any other video that are talking about beside Temu, it's not real. All you just want to do, you're gonna want to open up a Temu app, right? Just open a Temu app right here. Open this real app right here. You gotta download it. So what you want to do right here, you're gonna want to go ahead and click the U icon right here, and you're gonna scroll right on the bottom. All right, you're gonna click where it says earn credits and free gifts. All right, so you have to click this, and you must use the real app so you guys can earn this via PayPal or other banking internal. So you're gonna want to go ahead and click earn credits. So once you're here, you're gonna see almost all these apps right here, guys. You can make money. All these apps. If you love spending time on your phone all day, here's how you can make over $200 to PayPal, guys. So you're gonna want to scroll right on the bottom here. You see where it says redeem cash, all right? Redeem up to $200 to PayPal, all right? This is going straight to your PayPal. You're gonna want to go ahead and click get now for the last one. So once you click get now, you're gonna see this, of course, via PayPal. You're gonna click start. You're gonna choose, I'm gonna choose the middle one. All right. We're gonna have to spin something here. All right. Now they gave us to spin a wheel. As you see, oh, not bad. First 2,000. All right, first 2,000 coins. There you go. That double up to 4,000 coins. All right. Let's go ahead and flip another one here. Easy mode. All right, super easy mode. All right. Let's see. Accept offer. It's gonna spin one more time. All right. Not bad. 160. Not bad. All right. So as you see here now, we can just earn more coin. All right, earn more. Get that cash, baby. Get that cash. All right. Now here's where it comes to, you're gonna want to have to you're gonna want to have a chance to spin this again. Let me just go ahead and click here. Exclusive benefits. Thank you for more friends. As you see, my friend I just invited my friend to my other phone. As you see there. Now here is where it comes. Invite new users to redeem up to 500, guys. $500. All right, this is like almost what I make on my 9 to 5 hour job. So what you want to do now here, you're gonna want to as you see, hold on, let me show you guys just one more thing here. All right, as you see here, they're showing you if you hit, oh my god. Okay. All right, as you see here, guys, they're showing you guys the more you make, the more you make here, the more you get. So right now, if you can make over 94,000, you get $100, guys. As you see right here, here's how you guys can see by yourself. And how, as you see, once I get to 6,800, I get to withdraw $7. All right, that's just $7. Once you get to 11,000 coin here, all right, you get to 11,000 coins. You get to withdraw $20. All right, $20, $21,830. All right, up to 500, guys. All right, 500. I see here 300. Up to $300,000, guys. So what you need to do here, you're gonna want to go ahead and click refer new app user. And for this link, I can't, for some reason, I can't link down below because the coins will expire within 33 hours. And by the time you're watching this video, the link is already expired. So what you need to do is you want to go within the app and play this game. Once you play this game, click refer new app user and click copy link. You can send this link to as many of your friends that has not downloaded the app yet, so you guys can come over here. So once you invite your friend using this link right here, copy link, you send to them as many. If you want to go in public and talk to every single individual you see and tell them to jump on this app, just use your link, that will be all right. So basically now you're gonna want to come over here. If you do this like let's say once a day, you will make almost $100 a day. $100 a day for 1 week, that's almost 1,000 something like that. So I suggest you guys to hop on this game ASAP. Hop on this game ASAP, guys. Hop on this game ASAP. All right, and that will be it for the video. If this video helped, my code will be right on the screen here as you see it. So you guys can have 30% off your order, any order you place using Temu. And that will be it for the video. Make sure you guys subscribe if you guys are new, and make sure you guys drop a like on this video because I spend a lot of time making this video for you guys. And I'll catch you guys later.